Hi everyone, welcome to Papa's Workshop. Today I've got a special treat for you. Recently a company sent to me a cup turner. Now this is a fantastic hobby that's really going crazy throughout the country. And this cup turner is an essential tool to be able to effectively turn these cups so that the epoxy will dry and that it remains smooth. So today I'm going to show you how this cup turner works, and I'm going to show you another use that you can use in the shop for this. So let's get started. To open up this cup turner, we have the foam that helps hold the cup in position, and we have the cup turner itself completely assembled and ready to go. All the wiring's done, everything is attached, and it does have this protective film on the metal casing. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that off. Now, one thing that I will notice is that this slips on and off. There's no other attachment that actually holds it in place. And looking at this is approximately 5/8 of an inch of a slot that's in this rod that will slip over this. So that actually should hold quite well. And it also comes with this roll of foam that you can see that I have here in the cup already. And it has this rod to be able to secure the cup onto the machine. And this just slips on and it holds very, very well. I mean, I can get back here, push on it, and it doesn't fall off. I can even tilt it like this and it's not falling off. So even though this is a very simple design where it does just slip on and off, that's really a really nice convenience to be able to have access to be able to take the cup on and off easily. I'm going to put a link in the description down below where you can order this cup turner. And for the price, this is really not bad. One of the things that I like about this is that it comes complete out of the box. Only thing you need to do is just plug it in. All the wiring's done, everything is completely set up, and it has a nice toggle type switch that you can turn off and on the unit. There is a fascinating hobby out there on decorating the various cups, and people use the stainless steel cups. And this is an essential tool to be able to make these cups successful, because the epoxy has to dry, and it has to dry even all the way around. And this machine allows this cup to be able to rotate and be able to dry evenly. Now I have a stainless steel cup here, and this is not a video about actually decorating the cup itself. It's actually about this machine. Now the nice thing about this is that this foam can be cut to any length that you need it to be able to fit the various cups. So what I want to be able to do is go ahead and put this foam in the cup and put it onto the machine. First thing I want to do is wind this foam very tightly around this rod, because that's going to be able to help hold the cup into position. And with that done, go ahead and slide that in, push it down tight, and that cup's not going anywhere. Now we can slip that back on, and we're ready to turn this unit on. I'm going to go ahead and turn the unit on now. Now the switch is already built in. Again, this is a complete unit. So I'm going to turn it on, and you can see it start to rotate. One of the things that I want to be able to point out is that this thing is very, very quiet. Get down very close to this unit, and you cannot hear a thing. I like the fact that it's very quiet. I like the fact that it turns very slowly. So as far as real time, and just see how long it takes to make one rotation. Now I've read quite a few reviews, and people say that the cup will fall off. I don't see any indication at all. So in one revolution, it's taken now about 18 seconds to be able to do that. And looking at the reviews on this, I've seen where people talk about how the foam doesn't work and the cup falls off. I don't see any indication of that at all. This works very, very well. I've also read reviews where this cup falls off. I'm not seeing any reason for that to happen at all. What I do like is the fact that I can turn this unit off and slip it off without ever touching the cup and be able to do anything that I want to with it. Now that we see this cup turner in action, what else can we do with this? Because if you know anything about my channel, you know that I like to get multiple uses out of the different items that I have. So what else can you do with this cup turner? Well, one of the things that I've thought about is that I just cut a round piece of plywood with a hole in the center of it that would match the diameter of this shaft coming out from the motor, and then be able to slip that on. Now, what I can actually do, if you'll notice, the cord comes out the very back. I want to be able to set this up as a display. So just by setting this up in a different direction, I can use this as a display on other types of artwork. With the slow speed that it turns, this works extremely well. And I know there's a lot of modelers out there. So now as a display unit, we've taken a cup turner and turned it into a whole nother product. I'm going to turn this on, and you can see how it starts to turn, and you can put your camera down to be able to catch the model that you're displaying to be able to see it. One other feature that I like, especially from the displaying of the models or for the cup turning, if I turn the switch off and then back on, it reverses to the direction. Very nice feature. So if I can remove this, and I can place another one on there, a much heavier vase, and that is fantastic modeling display. And I'm actually, the only thing that I did for a background is just use a piece of foam board and drop it in place. So now we have two great uses for this cup turner. Reversing the direction is a very nice feature to have to be able to show on your models and also on the cup turning itself. So what else can we do with this unit? I've got one more idea that I want to share with you. For all the wood turners and pen turners out there, you can actually use this cup turner to be able to dry the pen blanks that you have and save a whole lot of money using this machine versus buying others on the market. So in review of this cup turner, what are the advantages? One, it's extremely quiet. I really cannot hear any noise at all. Two, it comes with the foam already so that you can tighten it very tight to slip into a cup like this, or you can make it a little bit looser to fit the larger cups. The other thing that I like too is that it's completely assembled, ready to go. Contrary to popular belief, I actually do not find where this is going to slip off, and I do not find this as a problem at all, being able to slip on and off. This cup holder is holding very, very well. I really like this cup turner. I think it's a great addition to the shop. And for all those that are engaged in the hobby out there of doing the cup designs, hats off to you, and this will be a fantastic tool to help you. I also think it's a great tool for all the modelers out there that love to display their models with rotating. And I also think it's a fantastic tool for the wood turners and pen turners. Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video today. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified on the different videos that I upload. Also check out the videos over here to be able to stay up to date on the happenings in my shop. So again, thank you for watching my videos.